I will show another demonstration of the MCP server. This time, the MCP server is used to generate test cases. In my previous demo, the MCP was used to fix static analysis findings. This time, we will use it to auto-generate test cases for us to increase coverage. So this is the example project called Open Code, VS Code. First, let us create a profile, a new profile, so that we will not dirty our VS Code configuration. And then we will switch to the new profile, test one. Okay. Under this profile, I will install the Parasoft plugin. Click the install, trust folder. In this machine, I installed the Parasoft CT here. But this is the location. After installing the plugin, you can click the gear icon, go to settings, and then set the installation path here. And the compiler, make some adjustment, make it to 13. Okay, because I have GCC 13. Another way to access the plugin configuration is via Ctrl-Shift-P and type C++ test quick start. And you can see here that we already set the path of our CT installation, and we also set the paths of the compiler family. Alright, this is a CMake based project where it's downloading the Google test library. So first I will run run task configure. Since this is a CMake, we configure is the first command. Next, build and run. So we can see some text-based reporting of how much coverage we have. We can also visually see the coverage in the IDE by typing Ctrl-Shift-B and then show coverage here. And I will select line. So right now, this is our coverage. We have two red uncovered lines, line 10 and line 15. In configure tools, I will enable this CPP test MCP server. It's now enabled. Okay, and then I will ask the LLM to, I think I have the message to, I will ask the LLM to add more test cases to reach 100% line coverage in get value function. Add suppression rule to cover unreachable lines. Now I am asking the LLM of the IDE here, which is Copilot. The Copilot will talk to the Parasoft MCP to understand what needs to be done, like what is suppression and how to measure coverage. So I'll press enter and let's wait and see. Okay, I'm just watching here. I'm not doing anything. Okay, I will click this allow button. Sometimes the IDE is configured that you need to really allow in this workspace. So you need to say yes. So this asking to say yes or no is a setting in your IDE. So the LLM is now adding more test cases in order to reach 100% coverage in the get value function. Always allow. So it's running again the execution to compute the coverage, and updates has completed. So take note that line 10 is now covered, line 12 is covered, and since line 15 is unreachable, the LLM added a Parasoft suppress comment in line 15 in order to technically reach 100% here, because this line 15 is have a metadata comment that it is being suppressed. If we go to the test cases here, now test cases have been added. If we go to the command line, the Google test these test cases have been added. The LLM is the one who auto-generated these test cases. And then the LLM also added the Parasoft suppress in order to reach 100% coverage. As a result, here we achieve 100% coverage by allowing the LLM to add more test cases for our function to reach the coverage that we asked the LLM to achieve. So that's it.